Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hi. This reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And as I was shuffling the cards, I listen to K-pop, okay? I don't listen to like other music. And this song is like playing over and over and over in my head. I'm an Aquarius in Vedic. I'm also an Aquarius Venus in tropical, so I have a lot of Aquarian energy in me. Queen of Swords. Bad deal. But there's this song that you might want to look at because I feel like it's relevant to this reading I'm about to do. It's called It Ain't About You. It's by Wonho, Wonho, and it's in English, so you'll be able to understand it, but there's a part in there. It says, I caught your eye again, your pretty little lies. Wish I could stroke your big ego, but sorry, not tonight or ever. So, I don't know why that's coming, but it's coming. That's what's coming to mind. Look that song up and listen to it, seriously. Because, like I said, I got a lot of Aquarian energy. And I get you guys. You and Scorpio is like my soulmates. Even though I have, in tropical, I got Pisces, stellium, and in Vedic, I have an Aquarius stellium, which means 3 or more planets in that sign. So, let's see what's going on here. Alright, who is this person? Oh, this is definitely somebody who lied to you about your destiny. Oh my goodness. I think somebody offered to marry you. Alright, to make you their Queen of Pentacles. But they were lying. They were lying. They were trying to take the wheel and drive in your life. Offer you a little something, something. But make it seem like it's bigger. Okay? So this person lied about who they were, what they had, and what they were offering. 7 of Swords. So they're a liar. What they did was lie to you. They thought, and I'm feeling like this because of the way that song goes. They thought the world revolved around them and they were better than you. But that's just not true. That's just not true. With the Wheel of Fortune there, they saw you as a prize. They saw you as a prize, like a little stuffed animal they could play with. Let's see. Let's see where this headed. I don't think it worked out too well for him, but we'll find out. Justice. Six, 7, 8. Hermit. You could have been dealing with Virgo. Oh, okay. This person promised you a relationship. And then they backed off and became guarded because they heard something about you. So they juggled you. They heard something, some kind of message here got to this person that sent them seeking answers, going into hermit mode, and juggling energy. So this might even be a misunderstanding. Like I said, it ain't about them. It's about you. 7 of Wands, or 7 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. This person has seen what they've done. They think it's fair. Because they heard something. Somebody sent them a message regarding the reason why you were in hermit mode. Maybe they said you didn't have enough money, that you were poor, and that this person backed off because of that. They thought lying to you was easier than telling you the truth. I think they have money issues as well. If they think you have money issues, it's because they're projecting that. They have money issues. They have a problem with their finances, and they don't want you to find out about it, Aquarius. They don't want you to know. That's why they're lying to you. They're trying... This is like the blame game. It's like making it seem like it's your fault that this didn't work out because you don't have enough. When in real life, it's because they don't. Okay? Ooh, this person is definitely regretting their actions. This was their Two of Cups. This was the person that could have been their soulmate, their equal give and take. But they made a mistake here. And I think they're realizing that mistake now. But it's too late. Yeah, I don't know. It might not be too late for you, Aquarius. I don't know. I can't answer that for you. You have to answer that for yourself. But this person is really sad. And they're still hanging on. Because you're hot. Because they know you're hot. And they know you got it together. This is my entrepreneurial card. So you may be in business for yourself. And they lost out on a possible Two of Cups love situation. They're still holding on, though. With that Four of Cups. It's like... I feel like they denied you because they didn't see you as their perfect one. But now they're seeing it. Now they're seeing it. And they're very regretful and disappointed about turning your cup down because it was being offered from Spirit. This was a divine orchestration of energy. Maybe you're both hot. Maybe they're hot too. But this match was divinely orchestrated. And they blew it. And they know it. Their karma is that they lose out on a possible Two of Cups, which is a soulmate energy. This person could be, like I said, I'm getting heavy Virgo here. Getting real heavy Virgo here. So you may be dealing with a Virgo or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see. What is the price that they're going to pay for this? What is the price for what they've done? World card. Something's coming back around. Okay, so this person's going to come back in and cause conflict in your life. They could be a Cancer. Don't have to be, but I've got Cancer and Virgo pretty heavy here. And Scorpio, because we have Judgment. That's Sagittarius, my bad. They're not going to have any peace because of this. Look at this. 5 of Swords. They're fighting their demons. I feel like this is telling me something about the full moon. They did something on the full moon. Karmic contract. With at least 3 people. This is the 5 of Wands. Even though there's only 3 people in it. You see the one choking the other one and then the other one going, yeah, do it, do it. This is what they're dealing with. Possibly with a home situation or a Cancer that they have a contract with. So, Aquarius, there you are, up here, the little ghost, looking down on this person and what they've caused themselves. This is how they pay for it. So anybody else that they were involved with, especially in the home, anybody they have connection to as far as their own judgment goes. They're fighting, they're arguing, somebody's strangling somebody here. Very, very toxic energy. This is how they're paying for what they did to you. What's the final outcome, Spirit? I am going to clarify all this with another deck. And then the Kippers. What is the final outcome here for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Nice. Queen of Wands. You're so hot. We have the King and Queen of Wands here. So, you're both, like I said, you're both pretty attractive. Really, really attractive. Stand out in a crowd type energy. I see that. I feel that. Both of you are stand out in a crowd type of energies. You're very attractive. You're very ambitious. And this person's karma is that they're having to fight everybody around them and drama and chaos. I mean, during Christmas, that pretty much payback's a biche. Your final outcome here is love. There's somebody coming in for a brand new start here. It could be a Taurus or an Aries. Divine Masculine, Aries, Santa Claus. Options. In love. Brand new start. And Spirit's right there. The Hierophant. 1333 on the counter when I said that. This is an option for you to marry several different people. This is how it's gonna turn out, is that by you dropping this liar, this person who left you out in the cold and treated you like crap, that's all coming back on them. It's all coming back on them. Come on now. I got cards popping up here. Give me a second. Alright. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune on the Wheel of Fortune. This person made a serious error. They offered you everything. And then got confused and bailed. Okay? Or you got confused and bailed. Again, we have the Queen of Wands. For the second time. We have the Nine of Cups for the second time. We have the Knight of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, Two of Swords. You don't see this, Aquarius, but this person's coming back. Okay? They're going to do everything that they can to convince you to take them back. Alright? This is future energy. There's no time on my videos. You see them when you're meant to see them. But this person's going to try to take your wheel and drive once again. Which means the Wheel of Fortune. They're going to try... What I feel about the Wheel of Fortune is karmic completions. That's somebody who has taken the wheel of their own life and decided to drive. So all that past karma goes away. And they go into their dharma, which is the Wheel of Fortune. From your past to the future and leaving the past behind. This person is juggling finances. They are not in good financial shape right now. And like I said, I think they're projecting that onto you. I think they're making it seem like you're the one who's financially stressed right now and shouldn't even consider a relationship with them. Nine of Swords. This person is staying awake at night, realizing the mistake that they've made, because you are the Nine of Pentacles. You're very comfortable, you're very stable, you have everything you need, you're independent, and you're single. And they know they need to let go of this because they lied to you. They know that they have to give this up now because they're a liar. Maybe even stole some things from you and cheated you out of some stuff because they wanted to make you feel like you weren't enough. But they're going to have to let go of you now. Because of the lies that they told. They could have been telling their friends lies, and now their friends are coming back saying, you're a liar. That's the Five of Swords, the Five of Wands. They're like, you know what? Why did you tell us these lies about her or him? Look. Why did you lie? This is what this person is facing. All their other friends or all their other family, they're calling them out for their shit. And they're going to have to let you go. You are the shit. You are the Nine of Pentacles. You're comfortable. You're stable. You don't need anybody else. You were willing to give this person a shot, and they blew it. Especially when they started calling you the one that was not stable. It was because they projected that onto you because they weren't stable. Alright, let's see. They're going to come back in with a lame-ass offer. I got to make that abundantly clear for you. Here we got the Queen of Pentacles. We got Page of Pentacles. We got Ace of Wands. The Sun, Leo, Page of Wands. Ten of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. Unbelievable. I'm sorry, guys. This is crazy. They're going to come in like this. Okay? Look at that card real carefully. That person is scrounging for scraps. And their clothes are all beat up. They want to have sex with you. They want to have a good time. And they're going to tell you everything that they think they want you to hear. They're going to promise you a rose garden. They're going to promise you sunflowers and sunshine. They're only a page. They're immature. And the message that they send to you is going to be to have sex. They think that's all there is. And it's going to buy their way back into your good graces with this Ten of Pentacles. They see you. Look at that page looking at that Ten of Pentacles. They see you as very abundant. They could even be involved in your family issues. They see you now as everything that they ever wanted. But I think you're going to walk away. They see you as everything they ever wanted now. After all of this drama, after all of this lying, after all of this possibly cheating and stealing and making you feel like you're less than, they're looking at your Ten of Pentacles. They're trying to offer you sex in their little tiny pentacle to try to get you back. I don't think so. Just saying. Yeah, they're seeing your abundance. They're seeing your well organized, that your family's in order, that everything is in order, and that they lied to themselves about who you were. You were more than attractive. You had more going on than just your looks and your money. You had a lot more going on, and they didn't see it until it was too late. And now, Aquarius, I don't think you're having it. I don't think you want any part of this person anymore. But that, like I said, that's totally your call. So you have to decide that, not me. I can give you advice. I can show you where to look, but I can't tell you what to see. And we got moving on to calmer waters. You may even be taking a trip. I'm feeling like there might be a trip in order for you. With this betrayal from this King of Cups. They may even offer marriage, Aquarius. But this betrayal is too deep. I don't think you're gonna have it. I think you're gonna stay in that Queen of Pentacles energy. Could be dealing with the Taurus here. But this Taurus or this person betrayed you, betrayed your love, didn't tell you the truth, didn't show their true feelings. They may have even wanted to marry you. They may still want to marry you. But this is the energy they're coming to you in. The Five of Swords. Again. With the Seven of Swords and the Five of Swords, this person has drug your name through the mud. They've defamed you. They've treated you like an option. But yet, they're coming back in to say they're going to fight for this. And maybe that they want to marry you. Because that's the Hierophant on the Hierophant. They want this brand new beginning with you. Are you going to go there, Aquarius? Are you really? I don't think you are. I think you're done. Enough drama has happened here. Enough things have happened here that have left you confused and feeling like you're crazy. Because this person, their manipulation tactics and their lies is pretty convincing. Like I said, listen to that song. It's called It Ain't About You by One Ho on YouTube anytime. It's a great song, and I feel like it goes along with this whole reading. Let's see what's going on with my kippers. Okay. False person. Did I just pull these same cards for... No, these are different. This person might have went to jail. And they could have a lot of money. That's why they were looking down on you. Because they could have a lot of money. They're well off. But they're imprisoned in their own mind. It's never enough for this person. Like I said, this could be your house that they're looking at from this standpoint. I feel like they've lost everything. They've lost a great fortune. They were a wealthy man and ended up in jail. So this person has done something not just to you, but something involving money that has wiped them out financially. They invested in something the wrong way. They've done something that has cost them a great fortune and maybe even some jail time. Wheel of Fortune don't play. Now you get what you give. And if this person played you for money, you're not the only one. They're paying for it now. They're paying for it now. And they regret what they've done. Too little, too late. They think that their wand is going to change all that. They think that they're going to just be able to come in, wave that wand around, and get right back into your life. And come into your house. Because you're doing really well. So they think they're going to come into your house and take advantage of you again. Because they think that they can do whatever they want to do. But expect a text message or a phone call from this person because they're coming back in. The runner is no longer running. The runner is listening to the ego, has fear of intimacy, and is codependent. I feel like this is the other person. They are wearing a false mask, and they are gaslighting you. They are telling you that you are the reason why they have all these problems. Okay? Not true. Karmic relationship. This is a fleeting relationship. There are triggers, turmoil, lots of resentment. And I think you're going to choose to let go of this person because you do love this person. But I think you're going to choose to let go of this person and say, I love you from over here. Okay? You stay over there. I'm staying over here. I still love you, but no. And you've got somebody else that's interested. So you're going out on a date. And this is going to set your transmutation or your transformation into full throttle. Especially with Venus in retrograde. You are meeting someone new. Someone that might possibly be a wealthy man and not somebody who lies about it. Or a wealthy woman, whichever that is for you. Because this transformation that's taking place is a new phase for you in your life. And this karmic relationship is out with the old. You're done. It's pretty intense reading there, Aquarius. I I do see somebody coming in to try to marry you. It might be both of these people. It might be a new person, it might be an old person. But the old person is definitely paying for what they did to you. Okay? Well, those are the messages I have for you today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay well. Bye-bye.